So the point of this video was to answer a question that I see come up on all the the Polo Facebook groups every now and then, which is how reliable are Polos over long distances? You see people asking that, what should they expect to happen, or what should they do to check their car for a 200 or 300 mile round trip. Maybe thinking that it won't handle that kind of distance, it's going to break down and come crashing down the side of the road. Just isn't the case. All I did for this trip, which ended up being over 1400 miles, was a quick oil change beforehand, and then gave the car a basic walk around and checked all the wheel bolts and checked the lights work and all your basic safety stuff, and then just went ahead on my trip. I would obviously recommend having breakdown cover, but really if your car is well maintained and it's not making any nasty noises, then you shouldn't need it. You really shouldn't need it. So anyway, hopefully this kind of answers and proves that Polos can handle, or old Polos can handle journeys of this distance. And yeah, watch as an angry bearded man wrestles with a stubborn oil filter, and then does some checks and goes on a drive.
20 to 3 in the morning, and I'm waiting to start what will be probably about a 1200 mile round trip in a 30-year-old Polo. 5 to 6 in the morning, been on the road just over 3 hours, and according to the car I've done 175 miles. Waiting for a guy to come pick up a gearbox, and then I'll head off. Well, the plan was to take the car up to the Buttertubs Pass. This is the road to get to it, and I got halfway up this hill and got stuck. All those fancy tyre marks are mine. I think I was quite close to getting into that ditch, but I managed to recover it somehow. So I guess it's back down the hill and just do it the normal way. It's a shame. It's half my little trip now complete. Car's done 776 miles since I left the house. Haven't had to do a thing to it. No lifting the bonnet, no anything. So, second leg of the journey, mostly just heading back home, and I'll probably double that. And that's the end of the trip. As you can see, 1,465 miles